Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to change background color on Wix Studio while scrolling. So now let's see the example. See, now let's start creating from scratch. As we select a section and make sure its view height is 100% or anything that would you like. Make sure you fill in the content. I'll show you how to do the background color change. Make sure you duplicate it. Select the section and duplicate it again. Select the section and duplicate it again. Make sure you unstretch the container and make sure this container's color and this section's color should be the same. Now again select the container and stretch it out. As you have duplicated it, so the properties of the animation will be the same. So now let's preview and see. As you can see, we need to make some changes. As you can see, the background color change is done. So now you can place your content on it and make it more interactive. Thank you.